Hey guys, Adventure with Dane in here. I'm doing a quick video just to show you how to repair one of these REI Camp Bed 3.5s. Now you have to have two inflate and deflate nozzles, which this one does. As you can see, this one's broken. So there's nothing at all to stop the airflow going in or out. So what I did, I determined that the interior diameter of this is an 1/8 inch. So I went to Home Depot. I got myself a square head plug, 1/8 inch, and a little bit of super glue. So if you look closely here, you will see that the threads have actually made some grooves in there. So we know that there's going to be good adhesion with the threads. And if you add a little bit of super glue to that, well, this will thread right in, and then that super glue will give it a nice firm seal and it'll hold pressure. So there you go, that's it.